Don't get me wrong, I know that as far as it goes, 9 times out of 10 I'll be stealing the show. I got respect for my peers and everyone I hold dear. I'm at the zenith of my power, so it's sick of me years. I got critical acclaim about the right amount of fame. I'm no real desire to ever be a household name. Money's not a big worry, 'cause I'm living frugally. And a roof over my head should be good enough for me. And grateful as I am for that, I cannot help but feel if I don't have your approval and it doesn't seem quite real. For it might not mean much to you, to me it's a big deal. And yeah, sure, that sounds insecure, but I don't care, I need something more. If you take the scene or not, give me credit I ain't got. Whatever it is, baby, I'm hard to trot. All I need is not for you, tell me you respect me too. Does not strike me as a hard thing to do. I want you to validate me and do it ASAP. What does it take you to make me take me seriously? I want you to know me, 'cause you know it basically. I'm so shallow that this will make me sleep soundly. Despite the front that I put on, I'm not hugely thick-skinned. I'm riddled with neuroses and my ego's paper thin. I'm governed by the tantrums of my need each out within. And yeah, sure, that sounds